Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. Happy Friday, no? July 21. Our market closed higher today, up 34.06 points or up 0.52% to close at 6,647.56. Value turnovers at 4.5 billion pesos. So as you know, our market is rallying the past few days but it lacks the volume we needed. So, wag tayo pa ligoy-ligoy pa, no? Hindi pa to bull market. We need to trade around 7 to 8 billion para convincing yung breakout natin. But it's a welcome sentiment lalo na all-time high, no? BDO, no? So, very generous sa mga C family, no? Sila Henry C, sila Tessie, no? So last December they gave around 20% stock dividend to all shareholders. And right now all-time high. No? So March 2020, I remember the pandemic prices of BDO, it went to as low as 88 pesos. This was pre stock dividend. So imagine mo kung ano yung ano niya, no? Presyo niya before. Talagang you just need to rotate to blue chips, no? So right now even Ali is rallying 27 pesos. Just rotation lang naman talaga, no? With market not going anywhere, just choose a strong companies with solid fundamentals, no? Tapos yung mga growth earnings sila. Anyway, of course, big news today as there's a overnight placement on M-Rate. No? So some investors uh, got mad. Bakit daw may nauuna? No? But if you check the Bloomberg article, unfortunately, hindi siya na-pick up ng mga local newspaper natin. There was an overnight placement that happened. No? And UBS acted as their sole arranger here, no? In which Mega World raised around 3 billion pesos. No? Sila yung sponsor company dyan. All the shares of MREIT na binenta are secondary shares. Secondary means the money goes to the selling shareholder, which is in this case Mega World. So money will be used to expand the projects. Lalo na daming sunod-sunod na projects ni Mega World. No? Palawan, Bulacan, etc. No? Of course, we all know Mega World has been trading uh, near 2 pesos the past few weeks after being removed from the index. No? And this news, this catalyst cheered Mega World to break out at least 2.08. No? So it really depends on which type of investors are you. No? Are you an investor na talagang long only or you're just a trader? Of course, there's no right and wrong answer there. After being removed from the index, yun lang, natulog si Mega World near 2 pesos or consolidate. No? While Bloomberry, which was removed the past uh, rebalancing, it dropped to as low as 7 pesos before. Right now, Bloomberry is now trading near 52-week high. No? 11 something as MPI malapit na mag-tender. No? Course, the problem with the MPI is that on August 8th or August, on the first week of August, they'll be discussing through a special meeting, no, the tender offer process. But as what I said, there's no sure money here. No? The current risk appetite kasi you need to factor in 492 and 520. That's around 3 to 5% less fees. But yun nga, that's what MPI wants to tender the price, 520. But is the selling shareholders willing to sell at 520? We're talking about the GFIs or government financial institutions, SSS, GSIS. Collectively, they own around 6% and they will dictate the outcome of MPI. No? So kung maumayaw sila, there will be no delisting process. So you need to at least tender 95% of the total outstanding shares. Anyway, EI no signed a deal with international wiring system. No? Of course, flat lang siya. No? So as you know, Monday is a quote unquote holiday for some schools, no, as there's a typhoon plus Sona ni Bongbong Marcos. And we all know naman, EI is now owned by Romualdez. So it's a construction company. No? So sinamahan mo pa ng Maharlika Fund. So I'm observing the movement the next few months. Anyway, Converge. Dennis Uy of Pampanga was also uh, appointed as a special envoy to Korea for digital infrastructure. We all know naman, Converge has a Korean partner here. It's just a matter of kailan sila papasok sa Converge. No? Sa base, sa equity. Of course, they're just partner. They're providing connectivity to Filipinos. Another news, IMI, which is the manufacturing company of Ayala, together with an US electric motor bike maker, will launch an electric big bike assembly line in Laguna. So there's an appetite for big bikers here in the Philippines. So IMI is that manufacturer. Manila Water is planning to build a 7.84 billion water treatment plant. So this will draw water from East Bay of Laguna Lake. So this water company, utility company of Enrique Razon is slowly diversifying from East Zone, Metro Manila to other areas. Tapos nag-offer na sila more services, water treatment, and not just water distribution company. So good job. Good job ka dyan, Manila Water. So yun na naman, Petron also redeems around $477 million worth of senior perpetual capital securities, FYI. Cemex also installed a 4.5 megawatt waste heat recovery facility at its Apo cement plant in Cebu as part of its carbon neutrality plan. So, of course, Cemex has been moving the past few days. You can see the public float of Cemex is now close to 10%, 10.06%. Once it falls to 9%, PSE will automatically suspend Cemex. It's really up to you, your risk appetite if you want to take the risk for a tender offer process. But you can see in Hlcm that, true. Hlcm, when the bidder bought its partner, the public float dropped to 5%, which means PSE automatically suspends the trading of Hlcm. And right now, the delisting or the tender offer process of Hlcm will happen outside the PSE. It means it is subject to 6% capital gains tax. So, parang sakit sa ulo lang yan. No? So, same with Cemex. No? Pag nahulog yan below 10%, kung may tender offer man, it will happen outside the exchange. It's up to you if you really want to raise your money for that kind of, diba? Ganun lang naman, Basic, BSC, Basic Energy also adding another wind power project, located in Batangas after securing wind energy service contract from DOE. So Globe is also targeting around 200,000 customers for its prepaid fiber internet by end of this year. So nakita nila yung prospect nito kasi si Converge nag-start ng ganyan diba? Si Fiber Master Dennis Uy. So there's some appetite, as we all know naman. Filipinos is a sachet economy. Sachet economy, tingi-tingi. We don't buy by bulk. Kaya nga yung mga sari-sari stores, they make money selling like Pancit Canton, yung mga ganun per piece. So by offering prepaid services, it will offer more, it will be accessible to more Filipinos. PhilInvest, FDC is also proposing a desalination project in Cebu, which could yield water supply for around 300,000 homes, FYI. 7, which is 7-Eleven, after the pandemic, it slowly recovered. So during the pandemic, diba, walang lumalabas. The business model of 7-Eleven, that convenience store, is they mark up their prices 30-40%. Kasi convenience naman yung habol mo dyan. It's open 24 hours. But during the pandemic, lockdown, walang lumalabas. So they suffered severe losses there. And right now, they're bullish with their prospect that they're allotting around 3.5 to 4 billion for capex this year to support its store expansion after posting 2 billion in net income last year. Anyway, our passcode for today is second Sona. So second Sona ni Bongbong Marcos, which will happen Monday, 4 p.m. No? So let's expect investors to watch, monitor this development. Kung ano ba yung uh, outlook niya or anong area of focus niya in the next uh, 4 years of his administration. Double Dragon, by the way, has a good project, no, yung Hotel 101 sa Spain. No? Of course, we're talking about this golden visa. It's a passport. They're selling the passport kasi, no? If you want to have a golden visa sa Spain, like si Bea Alonso, congratulations to Bea Alonso, no, for her engagement with Dominic Roque, no? Bea Alonso bought an apartment in Spain for that golden visa. Pero ikaw naman, kung tayo naman ordinary Filipinos, we don't we don't intend to go to Spain regularly. We can purchase a Hotel 101 condo units in Double Dragon. By buying 3 condo units there, Filipinos will have a golden visa, no? Kasi yun 10 million each times 3, 30 million pesos. Pasok ka na doon sa investment criteria ng Spain, no? Kakaroon na tayo ng golden visa there. So, yun nga, no? So, they signed a master service agreement with Orient's PSI Consultants and LNL Law, no, as exclusive advisory firms for this golden visa or the residence by investment processing. Of course, ibang galawan naman yung sa stock price, no? But sabi ko nga, kung may extra money, no, this is a good investment, no? Such a powerful visa rin yun. ASEN, no, also forged historic partnership for renewable energy development in West Australia with Yin Barndy, no? So, yun. So, yun lang naman. Again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.